The human skin is a miracle of nature. While the skeleton gives the inner form to human body, the skin gives it the outer shape. It has an average surface area of 2 square meters. It provides with its strong and flexible covering protection to various organs of the body from damage either by injury or by infection. The skin has 3 layers. The epidermis, the outer celled layer. Number 2, the dermis, which contains blood vessels, hair follicles, glands. And thirdly, the innermost layer of subcutaneous tissue. Our skin is not uniformly thick. It is thickest on the soles and the palms. It is thinnest on the eyelids. Under the dermis lies a layer of fat which acts as an insulator and shock absorber. It is also a storehouse of energy. Mind you, the skin is a living organ, although the uppermost layer of the epidermis is made of dead cells. It is a great receptor and communicator. All the lovers hold hands to communicate. It is sensitive to touch, pressure, heat, cold and pain. These sensations are conveyed to the brain by the skin through nerve endings. The lips and the fingertips have the highest concentration of nerve endings. Hence the importance of kissing amongst lovers. While a human being sheds more than 30,000 dead cells every minute, the lower part of the epidermis constantly produce live cells to replace the dead ones. Most parts of the skin have sweat glands. The maximum concentration lies in the palms and the soles. It is the function of the sweat glands to produce sweat to cool the body when it is too hot. Further, they produce a wax-like substance that helps prevent infection and keep the skin surface flexible and proof against water. That is why you can swim for hours and not soak a drop of water. When the skin gets too hot or the weather gets too hot, our skin takes on a flushed appearance. The small blood vessels in the skin expand in order to lose heat. In cold weather, a constriction takes place so that heat is preserved. This results in the skin looking pale. Exposed to sunlight, the skin produces vitamin D, which helps in the absorption of calcium and thus strengthens our bones. Make a sun bath a habit. The human skin is covered by hair all over. The maximum concentration being on the scalp, under the arms, and in the pubic region. Balding is a problem of the skin. It is generally hereditary. Not much can be done to grow hair on the scalp except by surgical grafting, which is a reasonably successful procedure. Fingernails and toenails are produced from under the skin. A fibrous protein called keratin is the main component of the skin surface. As a part of hair, keratin provides warmth and protection. Nails which cover the delicate ends of fingers and toes also contain keratin. As we age, our skin develops wrinkles, loses elasticity, and may become rough if not taken care of. Our environment affects the coloring of the skin. People are fair in cold climates and darker under the African sun. The latter skin is, however, less susceptible to sunburn. Mostly the problems affecting the skin are not life threatening. An unbroken skin is a highly effective barrier against bacteria and other harmful substances. However, a wound provides these microorganisms direct access into the bloodstream. Infection sets in, causing a rise in temperature, swelling, itching, and formation of boils or ulcers. Besides, the skin can be infected by herpes, by warts. Burning and scalding on the skin can be painful. Eczema becomes chronic. A cut or bruise triggers off a repair mechanism in the body. The capillaries on the site expand to allow more blood to flow into it. The skin turns red. The wounded tissue is swollen because of an excess of blood serum flowing into it. The white blood cells fight any invading bacteria. And while this process is on, the formation of fresh skin starts simultaneously. Healing is normally quite a swift process. To ensure a healthy skin, take a comfortable bath twice a day. You do not have to use soap unnecessarily except to wash away dirt, sweat, and grime. A walk under mild sunlight makes for a healthy skin. Avoid harsh sunlight. Pleasant outdoors are conducive to a healthy skin. Most important, avoid tension. Think well of everyone. Control anger. Be happy. Your skin will glow. GLOY. Thank you for visiting this site, listening to this video. We'll meet again discussing various problems of the skin in their medical form.